Normal day at Multiverse, where all of my random plushies joined together and made the town. But yeah, never mind, not normal. Help me! I want to see the screen. Show me on the screen. I want to be on TV. I want to be TV. Oh, come on. Oh, finally. Thank you. Hello, my name's Snoopy. Today I don't know. Today I'm gonna do nothing. I think probably. So nothing. Want me to zoom out so you can see my full body? Eh? Alright. There I zoomed it. Do you see it? You can't see my body. I got this. So you can see. Do you see me? Oh, I was supposed to put... Okay, do you see me? Oh, am I too short? Now do you see me? Okay, now do you see me? You probably see me now. So okay, today's episode we're doing nothing. Yeah. Something's flying, I see it. Something's flying. It's blue like me. Blueberry, raspberry. What the? Who the hell are you? I freeze them. Is he okay? It's probably not. It's probably not. Wake up. It's morning. It's morning. Come on. Who are you? I don't know. I didn't know my name. Oh yeah, I'm Snoopy. I forgot. What are you doing here? You don't belong here. I'm a plushie. I belong here. I belong here. You can't see I made up of fabric. Fabric blue something. Cotton. Whatever. But I'm plushie. I'm plushie, right? I'm plushie. Get off me. Never. Until you say I'm plushie. You're plushie. I'm plushie. You're plushie. Say you're plushie. You're plushie. Okay. Sunflower's at another town. So I can't get her. Who's Sunflower? I'm from the PVC universe. It hurts. Stop. I don't know. So probably we're doing nothing. Right? Whoever you are. Oh yeah, I forgot. My name's Ninja. You don't look like a ninja. Hey, don't say it. Don't even try. Don't say it. Don't say the word. Don't even look like a ninja. I thought ninjas were black. I'm a plushie. Okay, you're a plushie, but I thought you don't like... Whatever. You don't look like a ninja. Oh, I was just gonna say that. What's matter? What's the matter? I said, what's the matter? Yo, little bro 25, come here. Does he look like a ninja? Little bro 25, come here. If you lag, I'm gonna kill you. If I lag, I die. Okay. Does he look like a ninja? He looks like a ninja. You don't. Okay, he looks like a ninja. Does he look like a real ninja? Yeah. Okay, you're not a. My goodness, you're not a. What's it called again? I forgot. You're not the astronaut anymore. I'm quitting you. I'm gonna get you off NASA. Why? I just only said he looks like a real ninja. He doesn't look like a real ninja to me. Now get out. Hmm. Oh, sorry. Technical issues. Yeah, it lagged. He's gone now. I threw him away. Okay, now he looks like a real ninja, don't you? Yeah? Does he look like a ninja? Does he look like a real ninja? Does he look like a real ninja? Okay, fine, no. Yo, my friend's coming. Who's your friend? He's brown. I don't think that's a friend. I already see him there. It looks disgusting. What is that monstrosity of human in wood? That is not your friend, aren't you? Doesn't you? I'm just joking. It's a random stranger. Yeah. By the way, if you keep watching more episodes, new plushies come. Yeah. Today's there's only like 4 of us. So yes. More plushies will. Who's grabbing me? The master hand grabbing me. Somebody save me, please. No, I'm tired. What are you even tired from? You just flew. Where did you come from, by the way? Another plushie town. It's called. I don't know what it's called. I forgot. You, you, you idiot. You don't even know how. What's your town called? Yeah. Can you put me back the master hand? Okay. Yay. That hurts. I see someone coming. Who is it? Who the hell is it? Who is it? Who is it? I don't know. He has a straw hat. He has a what? That's my biggest idol. Wait, what? Really? I don't actually know him. Part 2 coming soon.